Hi everyone, I'm Whitney Lacayo, third grade reading language arts teacher at Timberlakes Elementary. Have you ever got ready to show your students a catchy YouTube video only to have ads interrupt? Sometimes the ads are inappropriate, sometimes they just get your students off topic. Well, I have a great solution for you, and it is called ViewPure. This is our topic for Tech Tip Tuesday. Typically, as a teacher, when we get ready to show our students a video, we go to Google, find the video that we're looking for. It generally takes us to YouTube, and then we go ahead and play that video. Many times, an unwanted ad pops up.
I decided to start selling merch about a year ago, and
such as that. It's not that it's not appropriate for our students, but it's just not something that we necessarily want our students to see. So in order to bypass the YouTube ads and show it on a platform where it's just a little bit safer for our students, you can copy the link and then go to a website called ViewPure. If you just put ViewPure in the bar there, it will come up to this website, and then you can enter the YouTube link there and purify it, and it will come up in a format that does not have any ads, which is really nice and great for our students. Links and tutorials for ViewPure can be found under the digital learning button on the SISD Teaching and Learning Hub. Just press the Canvas button on your ClassLink portal and open up your Teaching and Learning Hub. Then choose the Digital and Online Learning button to find this app and lots of great tech tools. I hope you're able to use ViewPure in your own classroom to get rid of all of those pesky ads. Join us next week right here for another Tech Tip Tuesday. Bye.